Hello and welcome to SWAT Environmental, America's #1 company in solving the dangers of radon gas. As you may already know, radon gas is a major health concern. According to the EPA, radon is the second leading cause of lung cancer in the country, the source of more than 20,000 lung cancer deaths annually. If you're facing a radon problem, then you've come to the right place. SWAT Environmental has installed over 50,000 radon systems throughout the country, more than any other company. We've successfully removed radon from homes, schools, apartment buildings, condominiums, commercial buildings, and government buildings. SWAT Environmental leads the industry in quality and overall value. The best part? A no-obligation quote for a radon reduction system is free and takes only minutes. Simply call the local number on your screen or reach us toll-free at 1-800-NO-RADON. SWAT Environmental has become America's leading radon contractor by having the best prices, the strongest warranty, and the fastest response times. Our workmanship is guaranteed, and we can have a technician installing a system in your house right away. Call SWAT Environmental now. Dial 1-800-NO-RADON. That's 1-800-667-2366.